3 minutes in this new Amazon tool could save you tens of thousands of dollars on a bad product launch. This Amazon tool is going to tell you 3 extremely important things: who buys in your category, what they'll pay, and what they want changed before you actually order a single unit. So in order to find this tool, you're going to jump over here. You're going to jump down to the Growth Product Opportunity Explorer. You're going to jump to Validate Product Ideas. Immediately here, what you're going to be able to go through is you're going to enter in the products. I did this for collagen gummies for women. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in collagen gummies for women, use health and household. I'm wanting the customer to pay $19.99. And then I'm typing all this in, $19.99. I speak to text, so that's where the mess up was there. And then we add in a couple different bullet points or whatever. What you're going to do is you're going to run this analysis, okay? Immediately when you run this analysis, the first thing you want to do is make sure that did Amazon actually understand the product that you're going through, right? So there was 3 inputs that you're putting in: your product title, your category, your target selling price, and then all the extra things associated with it. The next thing that Amazon's going to show you is the insight summary. Okay, so right here, your product at $19.99 currently falls below the competition on collagen dose per serving and the collagen market. Before launch, address these gaps, particularly collagen dose per serving, or consider repositioning at a lower price point that better matches the current spec set. Okay, so I said I was going to put it at 200 milligrams of collagen, hydrolyzed collagen with Give me a 60 count priced at this. Okay, give it as much detail as possible. Right away, you can see the competitive positioning. We are not to the standard of what they actually want us to have. They want us to have more blend in there, more product, more within. Let's make sure this is actually the right product though. Feature readiness. So your product covers all 8 key features, dimension evaluated, no listing gaps detected. Buyers can compare your product on every axis that matters in the category. Customer fit. It addresses 4 to the 5, and it solves 1 out of the 5 top complaints, close the remaining gaps. Okay, so it's going to go through and show you all of these different suggestions that we should have. This part is huge. The product optimization recommendations is going to give you all these different factors. It's going to tell you how is your price, what we should increase or change about the product, add collagen dose per serving to your listing, right? So these are all super important factors. Do not ignore this. Amazon is telling you this based off of all the data that they're seeing. So they see that I'm trying to sell at $19.99. Maybe I'm getting too greedy with it. Maybe I need to change some ingredients within it. It's saying the average benchmark is $19.07. Maintain this position and invest savings into listing quality and advertising spend. This is going to be huge on this. Consider increasing the collagen dose per serving, right? Most of these are 15 grams. This looks like they're starting to go after different factors. When I looked at this right here, I took this product and looked it up online. And when you look up Neutral Harmony on Amazon, I could very quickly tell that although it was saying that it was taking 45% of the market share, this is not what I was looking for. So it went through and it completely changed this. So let's go ahead and we got to go back to the reset here. What we're going to do is we're going to go back through and we're going to actually redo this top part. 2 gummies a day, no water, just the basics of everything that it is. This is just a straight collagen gummy, nothing else to it. 100 milligrams collagen, all this stuff. Boom, check this out. We immediately are able to see where we are differentiated, and where it actually fits. The important part here is making sure that you get the product right and that Amazon understands exactly what it is that you're selling. Now you're going to see all these different types of products. So there's all these different brands that are within this. Again, you want to make sure that you check through this. The seasonal patterns. What's cool with this is actually taking it from the Product Opportunity Explorer. And so when you look through this and you look up collagen gummies in this specific sector, you're going to be able to see there's 1 million searches in the last 360 days. 9% growth total here, total growth in the last 90 days. Units sold, average sold off of this specific keyword. And then you can go into it and you can see who the top products are that are going after this, what the top search terms are that people are going after, what the customer review insight is, and what the returns are coming back as. So these are all really, really, really important factors to go after. I love being able to look at what is the trend line here, right? So we can see the seasonal patterns. Is there seasonality to this, or is this just seasonally getting better and better and better and better? Is this going to be here for the long term, or is this just a massive TikTok spike? Here's another thing that's really cool. You can look at the age range. And so now you can start to focus your pictures, your listing, all different factors off of this. Not only this, you can look at the gender, you can look at the income, you can look at the education, and you look at the marital status to figure out exactly who your market is for this specific product. And then even better is you can compare your product features versus similar products. So you want to be as detailed as you can whenever you're going through and doing the description and the bullet points of this specific product. And as you do this, you're going to very quickly be able to see the delivery format, the taste and flavor, the collagen dose per serving. This will change based off of every little thing that you see. And again, this goes through the Product Opportunity Explorer. This is like the Product Opportunity Explorer, but it's on steroids. Now, there are a couple of things that this does not actually show you. So one of the first things, margin. always try to get a 3 to 5x margin on your product, right? So if it costs you $10, you need to sell it for $30 to $50. Okay. General rule: supplements close to 50, food products close to 3. Okay. Cannibalization of your own catalog. If this is a product that is exact same as your current products or something super similar. And the last thing is going through the data dive of all the competitors, because what this will not tell you is how much money you're about to have to spend on Amazon PPC. And this is one of the most important factors that you've got to do. So if you want to watch this next video, subscribe, and I'll show you exactly how you launch a product and scale it on Amazon.